What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best dehumidifiers for basement. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Tocid Dehumidifier. The Tocid Dehumidifier offers whisper quiet operation as it works with a sound level of 52 decibels, which makes it perfect for households with infants. Once the moisture level of the basement reaches 60%, mildew, mold and a variety of allergies start to breed. The dehumidifier keeps the humidity level under control in order not to let it happen. The model comes with an ER rating of 2.0, which is enough to state that this unit is environment friendly and it saves a lot of energy. With the smart technology in this machine, you can set it up on auto start at 50%, which will reduce energy consumption. On a continuous usage, the drain bucket will require drainage at every 5 hours. So, it comes with a 3/4 inch threaded garden hose which you can connect into the draining hole in your basement. If you do not have a drain outlet in your basement, the drain bucket comes with a capacity of 2 gallons. Also, it offers a swivel handle which makes the drainage process of the bucket spill-free. The power outage restart function of this dehumidifier is very convenient and practical. As in case of a power outage, this unit resumes its operation as soon as the power is restored. Also, all the selected settings are returned to the last working state, saving you the effort to rush every time an outage occurs. Tocid offers a complete 1-year warranty over this product. Number 4. Crawlspace Dehumidifier. If you are looking for a powerful dehumidifier, then the Air model, described as a basement and crawl space dehumidifier, is just the perfect pick. It comes with a pump and has an excellent dehumidification performance which can remove moisture of up to 198 pints a day. This is the best dehumidifier for basement with a pump in the list. The hot gas valve system for defrosting is very effective for regions with low temperature. Also, the premium technology used in HGV helps it to keep working efficiently and continuously even at the time of the defrosting process. The internal corrosion protection minimizes the chances of corrosion and freon leakage, helping this product to sustain for long. The epoxy technology enhances the coil life and saves it from oxides, sulfides and hydroxide corrosions. The product comes with a 5-year warranty which also includes after-sale services. The bottom legs are accommodated with a nice set of rolling wheels which comes in handy when you have to move this bulky dehumidifier around your household. It operates in the range of 35% to 95% of humidity in the surrounding. You can connect it with a remote control module which will let you manage the functions of this dehumidifier from anywhere in the house. The bypass air sensor in the product lets the clean air go out of the filter easily. Also, if you have an outlet nearby, you can connect an air duct to this product, and it will pass the dusty air through it. One of the features that are uniquely present in this dehumidifier is the module that lets this dehumidifier work even at low temperatures. Number 3. Gurin Electric Dehumidifier. Users have found this model to be the best dehumidifier for a small basement. The size of this product is very well suited for small and medium-sized houses. As for the performance of its dehumidification, it is quite low and counts up to 0.5 pints of liquid per day. This dehumidifier comes with the whisper quiet technology which lets it work effectively at just 35 decibels of sound. The water reservoir provided in this product is quite small and can collect up to 16 ounces of water at max. Nevertheless, fear not, as the auto shut-off technology saves you from the hassle of running towards the basement to spill the bucket empty. The indicator lights allow the user to check the position of various functions without any trouble. If your basement has an outlet to pass water, then you can connect this humidifier with a rubber tube. It will pass the collected water through the water displacement hole. The fan in the motors has 3 by 3 inches of brushless motors which run on direct current. This helps to save a lot of power consumption. This model has the CE and UL certifications, so you do not have to worry about its effectiveness. Number 2. Ivation Dehumidifier. If you have a house measuring around 4,500 square feet, then this is one of the best dehumidifiers for your basement. This model is very compact and easy to handle. The dehumidification performance of this product is excellent as it removes 70 pints of moisture per day, therefore maintaining the environment of your basement effectively. The power of this dehumidifier helps you to remove various moisture-related issues such as mildew, mold, dust, allergies and bad odors from the air of your house. The best part about this dehumidifier is that the maintenance it requires is quite low. It weighs just 40 pounds and can fit very easily in any corner. The unit comes with amazing features like energy-saving mode, auto shut-off, timer, and more. All this adds to the charm of this product. It is perfect for those who cannot check the water tank of the dehumidifier every day as it offers 1.3 gallons of reservoir space. The product comes with a manufacturer warranty of 1 year. This product features 4 durable rolling caster wheels which enhance its overall mobility. The LED display interface is well accommodated with all the necessary information. It displays stats like the humidity level of the basement, reservoir and filter alerts, EcoFrost alerts, and more. The Ivation dehumidifier also offers a hose drain from which let the water escape into the drainage system through a pipe. Number 1. OXA Mini Dehumidifier. This model is the best dehumidifier for a small basement. Despite having the smallest dimensions in the list, this dehumidifier performs exceptionally well as it offers coverage of up to 2,500 square feet. It comes with 2 modes, normal and sleep. Normal mode is suitable for daytime when you want to reduce the moisture faster. Whereas, sleep mode is perfect for evening and night usage as it saves you from the noise of the dehumidifier and produces only 35 decibels. The auto shut-off feature in this dehumidifier stops the unit's operation as soon as the water capacity of the tank reaches its peak. This compact dehumidifier can store up to 0.18 gallons of water in one go. The dehumidification performance of this model is around 0.74 pints of moisture in one cycle of drainage. It weighs about 1.2 pounds, so you can carry it wherever you feel the need is most. This model does not have an inbuilt compressor, which makes its usage field broader than most of the other appliances in the list. The OXA dehumidification technology in this product makes the environment of the usage area free from must, damp and bad odor. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.